students, welcome to the next video of multiple and submultiple angles formula. So in previous video we had already seen some example based on multiple and submultiple. Today also we are going to see some example based on multiple and submultiple angles. So see the example. Example 4 is if sin A is given as 0.4, then question is find the value of sin 3A. Okay. Now first we have to use the formula of sin 3A. So sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So sin 3A will be 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Then we have substitute the value for sin A. So sin A is 0.4. So 3 into 0.4 minus 4 into 0.4 whole cube. So that is equal to 1.2 minus 0.256. And this value you can find from calculator. Okay. Then answer is 0.944. You can use calculator in diploma. Okay. Use of calculator is allowed, but only up to FX82 series. Okay. Higher version of calculator is not allowed. You can use scientific calculator as you have to find the value of sin theta, cos theta. Okay, so you are going to use the scientific calculator, but in that also up to FX82 series allowed. Higher version is not allowed to you. So from calculator we can get value as 0.944. Then next sum, if 10a is given as 1 upon 2 and 10b is given as 1 upon 3, then question is find the value of 10 2a plus b. Okay, 10a is given, 10b is given, and the question is find 10 2a plus b. So first 2a plus b, compound angle, right? So first we have to use the compound angle formula. So compound angle formula is 10a plus 10b means 10 2a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10 2a into 10b. From compound angle formula we are getting this term. Now 10 2a is a multiple angle, right? So we have to use multiple angle formula. So 10 2a will be 2 10a upon 1 minus 10 square a. Okay. So first we have to find 10 2a. So 10 2a is 2 10a upon 1 minus 10 square a. So 2 into 10a is 1 upon 2. So 2 into 1 upon 2 upon 1 minus 1 upon 2 whole square. So 2 cancel. So numerator is 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 4. So in denominator you can do the cross multiplication. So 4 minus 1 is 3 upon 4. Okay. Then 3 upon 4 you can take this 3 upon 4 in numerator. So it will be a 4 upon 3. Okay. After getting 10 2a, next we have to write the formula for 10 2a plus b. So 10 2a plus b is 10 2a. So 10 2a is 4 upon 3 plus 10b. 10b is 1 upon 3 upon 1 minus 10 2a means 4 upon 3 into 1 upon 3. Okay. Now numerator denominator is same. So we can add the numerator. So 4 plus 1 is 5 upon 3. Now here do the multiplication. So 4 into 1 is 4 and 3 into 3 is 9. So denominator is 1 minus 4 upon 9. Here do the cross multiplication. So cross multiplication will be 9 minus 4 upon 9 means 5 upon 9. Okay. Now numerator is same, so cancel. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay, if you are not able to do directly, then what you have to do, you have to take this 5 upon 3 as it is, then take this 9 upon 5 in numerator, so it will be a reverse, so it will be a 9 upon 5. Now 3 3 cancel, so 3 3s are 9, okay, and 5 5 cancel, so answer is 3. Okay, so take down some example for practice. So first one is sine A is given as half, so you have to find sine 3A. Okay, so what you are going to do, you have to write the formula of sine 3A, and in that you have to substitute sine A as 1 upon 3. Second sum is, if A is given as 30 degree, then verify that sine 2A is equal to this. It is already a formula of sine 2 theta, right? Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta into cos theta, and cos 2A is equal to this. This is also a formula, cos 2 theta in terms of tan theta. Formula is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, then third one is prove that sin 4 theta plus sin 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta plus cos 4 theta is equal to tan 2 theta, right? So hint is, class, here see the right hand side. Right hand side is 2 theta, so you have to reduce this 4 theta in 2 theta. Okay, so what will you do? You will apply this 4 theta, you will reduce this 4 theta by using multiple angle formula. Okay, so this sin 4 theta can be written as, this sin 4 theta, this can be written as sin 2 into 2 theta, right? So it is in the form of sin 2 theta form, right? Then apply the sin 2 theta formula, so that will be a 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta, right? Similarly, you have to reduce this 4 theta in 2 theta. Okay, so this 3 example for you, you have to solve this. So class, with this I am concluding this video as well as this chapter, multiple and sub-multiple angles of trigonometric ratios. Okay, so thank you students.